Hey everybody, I thought it'd be really fun to spend the Wednesday meetup times learning about paper engineering. Paper engineering is what they call the pop-up stuff where you have the paper and then you can do different cuts and folds and make it look three-dimensional. So first I just thought it'd be easier to show you this. I started out with two pieces of paper. Ta-da! And then this confuses me a little bit, but mainly they say use a ruler to find the middle of the folded edge. Part of it is it does not have to be a ruler. You can just eyeball that and make a couple little marks, but you're looking for the middle of the folded edge. You make a cut, and then you go ahead on this one. Once it's cut, you take that folded part and you fold it over and crease it, and then you open it up and kind of push it forward with your hand, and sometimes you have to refold it on the inside. So it's like origami where you have a fold, you have to push it forward the other way, refold it, and flatten it out. And then the second piece of paper that you had is just kind of a cover so that you can have a pop-up book or a pop-up card where it shuts and it opens, and you glue something right here to make it pop up. So I had made a little, like a birthday cake. I thought, okay, I'm going to stick that on there. And, you know, after, when you're not watching, I would go ahead and make this like a birthday party scene and write happy birthday and maybe put some balloons, maybe make this the table with some silverware or some decorations for that. But anyway, it'd be really fun. But what you do is you've got your card, you open it up and you put your object there that you want to pop forward. When you're done drawing everything, then you do what they tell you to do on this side, which is put some glue around the outer edges. Put some glue around the outer edges. Not in the middle, because you don't want to glue down your thing that's going to pop up, so that you can have a double layer and you have a card. So that's kind of the main one to do. I thought it'd be fun to try some of these too. So more pop-up strips. This is the most basic that you've got. So the first one, they say a house shape. So you take your paper, fold it in half, double check you remember where your fold line is. I'm going to draw right on the book. Can you see my paper okay? Yeah. And here to make that, they make the roof and the bottom, and they have them kind of be about the same width. So I'm doing it with marker because it'll show up better. Roof and bottom, and I'm kind of having them come in about equal distance from the edge. So let's cut that. I bet there's a lot of different things that you could invent. Then I'm going to fold it, like the other one, fold it so it just has out that edge there. Then I'm going to open it up. I think I'm going to do this. Open it up gently, push it forward so that it actually pops out. I might have to refold that fold the other direction, and I might have to refold that the other direction. It's kind of a little fluffy there, and you have to push it flat. Push it flat. Oopsie. And then you've got your pop-up house, and then before you attach anything, you could spend some time drawing this to make it look like a real house. Let's try the egg shape because it's got a curve in it. That's different. So get your paper, fold it in half. I'm going to flip it over so I know where my fold is. And I'm going to draw that shape that's kind of like a partial egg. So part way forward, stop. Part way coming up as if it would attach, stop. Let's try that. And of course, this stuff takes just some experimenting. You fold that over to make that line. Now let me open it up. Let me pop that egg forward. It's kind of a, I'm not sure it's super eggy. That's okay. Fold that way. Oopsie doops. Fold this way just to get the folds going the proper direction. And then here it'll pop up and I have to get these back. There we go. That looks a little better. Sometimes you have to fool around with it, kind of coax it into position. There, I've got my pop-up egg. I'm not sure what you can make out of that.